epic fail. Hey guys, Unknown Gamer here. Today we're playing Dropper. Yeah. Episode 2. Yeah, episode 2. I'm wearing a Chewbacca. Chewbacca. Yeah, Chewbacca. And I didn't. I already did this. Yeah. Chewie! Yay! Star Wars! Yay! Star Wars they're gonna release the movie like 18, I believe, the same day as Elvin and Chipmunks. Yeah, I'm looking forward to do that. I try my best. You must be kidding me. I just don't jump. What the hey? What about the background? Yes. You must be kidding me. I didn't jump. I'm not gonna look. Yep. We'll try it. Come on. Yes. Okay. Oh, great. I'm not gonna even cut the video. If I'm getting tortured, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I think we're getting closer. I think. Hopefully. 10 hours later. Yeah. You can cut the video. Well, you can just go to 3 or ignore what I said, please. You know I cannot speak right, guys? I'm Puerto Rican, not American. Not American. Okay. You need to land on the car. Oh! Second try. Now where's the hey! Yay! Okay, I'm gonna cut the video here. Okay, we're back. Okay, let's see what is the next one. Hopefully we won't die. Oh, great. Let's just go. Is that the water? Oh, good. Please don't hit, please don't. I'll be right back. We're back. Yeah. Let's do this. Yes! This is getting harder and easier at the same time. Where's where do we get out? Yep. I'm lost. Oh. Thought I was lost for a minute. Why is there doors? It doesn't make any sense. Gotta cut the video here. Okay. I do not want to do more. Oh, great spider. Oh no. Not good. No bueno. Okay. I hear the spider. Please, get away. What's the games? What is this? What is this? this a game or just to see it? I'm so confused. I remember Popular MMOs doing Hunger Games, like right here. Yeah, cool. Okay. What? You don't know what's Popular MMOs? Go check out his channel. I'll say his name, description below, and Sly Fox and everything else. Okay. We can sleep. Let me sleep. Thank you. Okay, where's the water? Oh, good. I'm dry. Do we go in? Yep, we go into the train. I think this is train. Don't die. Oh. Okay. I can see. Okay, can see it. Let's go. Ooh. Not even close. Hear a zombie. Of course I hear a zombie. You must be kidding me. It's so hard. It's so hard. Yep. Come on. I cannot do this. I'm never gonna do it. No, don't call me a cheater. Please don't. It's hard. Do you want me to spend 10 hours doing this video? No? Okay, don't complain. Oh no. What the heck? I can't. Wrong thing. Oh great. Want to go? I'm Chewbacca. Oh, creeper. Oh. Jeez. I was gonna say. Fall off. Oh no, mistake. Why do I have this in hardcore? Step off. Oh, I don't know. Food. No. Ow. What the heck, man? Yes, fall off. Did he survive? Let's just do this map. What? I barely done nothing. Well, what's just going to do here? It's Chewbacca. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, do you want more Dropper? Yeah. Tell me in the comments, and see you later, unknown gamers. Like the videos, please. Subscribe, please. Leave a comment, please. See you later, unknown gamers.